the channel. Welcome here in Geneva, like sort of in the middle of the winery yard. So yeah, actually it's the very first time that I'm testing this car. Thank you very much to Mercedes Center Geneva. It's actually the it's the last version of this Mercedes GLA 45 AMG. So I've got the chance to get this car, and actually the spec of the car looks really dope. It's really beautiful. The colors are very greatly matching into this car, and the whole exterior spec is also beautiful. So yeah, I'm just going to put myself on the Sport Plus manual. So like this, you can hear better the engine. There we go. With the crackles, I hope that you guys can hear them, because the crackles are really beautiful when the gear is changing itself, even itself, or with those paddles as well. So the engine is actually a 2-liter 4-cylinder bi-turbo engine. So it's a pretty small engine, but the turbos are here from 0 to 100 in only 4.4 seconds. Oh yeah, we hear the crackles on the same way. And the car has 381 horsepower for 475 Newton meters of torque. And the car pushes you like really a lot. The car is actually not that much old, but it's like pretty old. It has been launched in 2014, so it makes already some years ago. And the spec, I mean the facelift, the old brand new redesign, they've just changed the front LED lights and the rear LED lights with some new design. The facelift has been done in 2017. But maybe this is not the most important thing about the car. It's more how the car looks and how the spec is and how practical this car is. Because this car is also perfect for the town, for the city, to go shopping and to stay here, and also go all around when you don't have super much luggage as well. I love the blue that is just put it into the car. It's a very blue, dark, it's like a navy blue as well. The dark blue perfectly matching with the black back all around. Tinted windows, black mirrors like all around the car. And the front is also really aggressive as well. You have the LED lights with LED intelligent system. They're like not brand new, but they like perfectly matching with the car. You have the lights on the bonnet, and the bumper is also pretty aggressive on the same time. So this is cool. You have this wonderful, that I really love, is this absolutely and the total AMG 20 inches rims, by the way, that are really like in silver. They're shining, and they're perfectly matching as well in the car. And you have these red calipers with AMG in black written in them, so the contrast is really beautiful with the red calipers. Inside you have also like some red touches that I'm going to show you later on. And yeah, going and moving back to the car, you have this exhaust system, like 2 tips on each side, the black exhaust tips, the 43 AMG GLA badge, AMG on the left, and you have this all red. Actually, they're pretty shiny as well. The LED rear tail lights with all the tinted windows on the back. The boot is pretty big actually, and you can fit some luggage in there. Not the super big ones, but the medium ones, the small ones are absolutely perfect if you travel, excuse me. And also for the grocery store, to go just in town, to go in city, the car is absolutely great, and it's super practical to go to the underground parkings, or to even park in town. And now talking about the inside of the car, it's absolutely greatly done. You have all this panoramic sunroof as well, and the inside is like half of leather, half of Alcantara, and you have these all red touches inside of the car. On the back you have all these sort of half bucket seats with all this Alcantara as well. And what I love inside of the car are these red seat belts. They're just so beautiful. They're absolutely perfectly matching with all these small red details. And in the front, I do have right here, even the armrest, I do have right here everything in leather, Alcantara, and the bucket seats are the AMG bucket seats. And you have Alcantara in the middle, leather on the exterior, and it's surrounding by actually some red stitching like all around, and this is really beautiful. Even the front, the dashboard, as you can notice, is in Alcantara. The AC vents are in red, like who are surrounding as well. Steering wheel, the sport AMG steering wheel, you do have this sort of, not old, but it needs to be changed as well, with the all gear selector. And the middle console, you have this LED screen that is a bit small, but it's like you have everything in there, like in the all AMG models, like it's the same configuration. And I really love the dashboard with the leather and the whole red stitching that are just in the middle, like crossing the car, surrounding the car. And yeah, the dials, it's not yet featured in the new electric dials, but here you have the old style dials, which is like very beautiful as well on the same time. And yeah, it's like red and white, you have everything inside and as well. So yeah, just for driving, you do have the paddles as well with the crackles. Yeah, so you have the paddles in any case. And actually the driving mode, all the driving modes, the comfort, the sport, and the sport plus version, you have the individual in any case. You feel very great. The car is very simple as well to drive wherever you are, in the street, in the city, or even in the on the highway as well. The visibility is super great as well. And yeah, the car is really perfect, and I really love the spec about the outside and the inside. So it's not too shiny. The car is pretty discreet as well. On the street, when you are in the comfort mode, the valves are closed, so you have like less noise while you are driving. So yeah, I really hope that you guys appreciated this quick review of this all like 2019 GLA 45 AMG from Mercedes. Small engine, 2-liter 4-cylinder bi-turbo, and it makes a lot of power as well. So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and stay tuned for the next video. It's going to come like very soon. And yeah, I wish you to have a very great day, and see you next time. Bye.